Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can sign in for a Electrum wallet. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Electrum application. Now here you need to tap in Next. Now here you can choose any of the kind of wallet that you want to create, as I'm going with a standard wallet. Now here you need to create a new seed. If you have already a seed, you tap on I already have a seed. You also can use a master key, whereas you also can create a new seed. As we are going to get logged in, so you need to tap on I already have a seed. Now here you need to enter your seed phrase in empty text field that you got when you create your Electrum wallet. Now here, after you enter your seed phrase, you need to tap on Next. Now then you go in for providing your password. Now then you tap on Next. Now here you need to confirm your password once again. Then you tap on Next. And with that you have been logged in into your Electrum wallet. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign in for your Electrum wallet. Thank you.